How many animals can you see in this picture? If you can find between 1 and 3, then you have your head in the clouds and you are not very interested in details. If you find between 4 and 7, then you have spotted the most obvious but have not made the effort to look harder. If you have found between 8 and 13 animals, well done. Attention to detail is one of your characteristics. Without thinking too hard or pondering over it for hours, what do you see first in this picture? If you saw a monkey first, then you are an independent person who appreciates your own personal space and takes time for yourself. If you saw a tiger, then you are someone who likes taking risks. For you, nothing is impossible and you just need to find the solutions to the problem. Okay, again, what do you see first? If you saw an explosion, then you are a good organizer and an excellent leader. You are aware of your responsibility and take on the consequences of your actions. If you saw two human hands, then you are interested in others and want to understand and help them. To sum up, you are truly altruistic. What do you see first? Saw a village with huts, trees, and birds, then you like tradition. You prefer the calmness of a peaceful and simple way of life instead of the buzz of the city. And if you saw an elephant, then you are loyal and respectful to your friends and family. You are a great listener. Friendly, thoughtful, and considerate, people really respect and like you. Okay, again, what do you see first? If you see a face, then you are a friendly and sensitive person who doesn't like conflict. You are very intuitive, which helps you on a daily basis. But if you saw two birds, then you are a cheerful and welcoming person, skilled in meeting new people and always listening to your friends and relatives. What do you see first? Abra. You have an impatient nature and are always looking for new experiences. You live from one day to the next and don't want to regret anything. But if you saw a Spider-Man, then you are calm, reserved, stable, and appreciate traditions. You don't like taking unnecessary risks. Let's try something different. Tell me the most dominant color you see in this picture. If you see turquoise, then you are creative and imaginative. You like being active just as much as taking risks. If you see yellow, then laid back, you don't stress and can adapt easily to any situation. But if you see dark blue, then you are a perfectionist and you love to analyze things and are very good at it. What do you see first? If you saw a crocodile, that means you are most likely someone who tends to look at the bigger picture of things. You may take the little things for granted, like walking through nature, as you don't see the overall importance when there are bigger things you can focus on. You are probably a very practical person and don't take many risks. But if you saw the boat, it means you have got a good eye for small details and not much gets past you without noticing it. You are often described as a unique, quirky, and creative individual. But don't get too caught up on focusing on the little details and forget about the big picture. This is important if you are an artist or a student. What do you see first? If you saw the pillars, then it could point to the possibility that you prefer comfort and security over most things. Accomplishing your big goals in life will not be possible unless you learn to break out of your comfort zone. It's also a sign that you focus on dreaming about your goals too much and not enough time actually working on them. But if you saw the people first, it means that you are a free spirit who is ready to leave your current surroundings at the drop of a hat. Life hardly ever seems dull to you. In fact, it's full of incredible people and adventures. You are a curious and kind soul, but don't wander for too long. Be ready when the right time comes to settle down. Take a look at the image above. What do you see first? If you saw the old man, it means that you are more of a sensitive, gentler soul who is very empathetic of others. Because you saw the old man first, it also points to the possibility that you use your right brain more than you do your left. It's more of the creative, artistic hemisphere of your brain, indicating you are a more artsy individual. But if you saw the woman, then you are most likely more of an analytical and thoughtful, calculated person compared to those who saw the old man first. You use the left side of your brain more than you do the right. Your analytical and thoughtful mind will serve you well in life. But you can come across as cold-hearted at times when you are just trying to be practical. Don't try to hide the side of you that wants to believe in the good of people. Even if your analytics tell you differently, don't let it shut you off from others. Now, what stood out to you first? If you saw the car, it is most likely means that freedom is very important to you. Traveling is dear to your heart. The ability to hit the road and go on adventure is something you highly prioritize. You take life at your own pace and do what comes naturally. If you saw the man with the binoculars, then it alludes to the idea that you are a more analytical person. You tend to focus on the big picture and disregard minor details. You are a visual learner and pick up lessons quickly. But you may want to make an effort to pay a bit more attention to the details, as important things can be lost there. If you saw the letter A, this is arguably the most difficult thing to see first in this image. If the letter A is the first thing you saw, it means you have an eagle eye, unmatched by anyone. You tend to be more detailed oriented than most and are highly intuitive. You usually are able to pick up on subtle hints or nuances that might go unnoticed by many others. So, what do you recognize about your personality? Tell me in the comments and subscribe this channel for more videos like this.